about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning, y'all. So I'm doing laundry today. This is gonna be more of like a getting ready for the week. I know I worked yesterday, and yesterday's video was short to say the least, but yeah, I didn't really do much. I went to work, had some drinks with a friend, and then literally went home and crashed. So yeah. Have a chill day. I'm gonna do some chores. It's Fox time! Okay, so I'm looking for candles. These ones are $9, which is not bad. That one's 18, but they look cool. I'll get the $9 ones because they still look good, but is there any cheaper than that? Okay, so there's a few for $7, and it says intention. Oh, it's good. Oh, I like that. Intention, and this one is focus. I'm gonna put this one in the bathroom. It definitely smells like a bathroom smell. And then gratitude. Just 3 candles. And then gratitude. The bedroom. Okay. Yeah, this one is gratitude is fig and bergamot. And then intention is Palo Santo and thyme. This one's the one that's gonna be in the kitchen. It's really good. And then focus is sandalwood and lily. It smells like a bathroom. Okay, so now I'm done. I'm gonna go check out. I also got some paper towels, some more Clorox, and sweet potato, green beans, rice. My favorite Japanese barbecue sauce. And I think that's about it. And tofu. Okay, so I just made 2 meals for Monday and Tuesday. It is white rice, lentils, and then some asparagus and hold on, let me get this open. Some asparagus and broccoli. I had some for lunch already. I did not fill you guys in, but that's okay. And now I'm gonna take a shower. And just get ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. And tomorrow I will be using, so Adriana got me one last Christmas present, and it's that suction magnetic like phone holder for vlogging. I've seen it on TikTok everywhere, but she got this for me, so I'm gonna try to use this tomorrow. So I'm saying goodbye to the Octo Buddy and hello to magnetic suction, whatever you call yourself. Yeah. What the hell? Oh. I was like, this goes to Jordan Duffy, not Raquel Jean-Louis, but I see my name. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. That's Fox playing with his ball. Fox time. Okay, bye. Oh, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.